Why should I hire a semi-truck accident attorney? They specialize in handling complex truck accident cases. Can they handle accidents involving semi-trucks and commercial vehicles? Yes, they have experience with these types of cases. What sets a semi-truck accident attorney apart from other lawyers? Their expertise in the unique aspects of truck accident cases. How can a specialized attorney help with my semi-truck accident claim? They understand the specific regulations and complexities involved. Can they deal with insurance companies on my behalf? Yes, they can handle negotiations with insurance companies. Do they investigate the cause of the semi-truck accident? Yes, they gather evidence to determine liability. Can they hold the trucking company accountable for negligence? Yes, they work to hold all responsible parties accountable. What damages can I seek compensation for in a semi-truck accident case? Medical expenses, property damage, lost wages, and more. Can they handle cases involving catastrophic injuries? Yes, they're experienced in handling severe injury cases. Do they assess future costs and long-term impact of the accident? Yes, they consider both current and future damages. Can a semi-truck accident attorney help with wrongful death claims? Yes, they can assist with wrongful death cases resulting from truck accidents. Can they handle cases involving semi-truck driver negligence? Yes, they investigate all factors contributing to the accident. What if the semi-truck company denies liability? They'll work to build a strong case to establish liability. How do they prove negligence in a semi-truck accident case? They gather evidence, accident reports, witness statements, etc. Can they handle cases that involve multiple vehicles and parties? Yes, they're equipped to handle complex multi-vehicle cases. Do they have experience dealing with federal trucking regulations? Yes, they understand the regulations that govern the trucking industry. How can they help if the semi-truck driver was under the influence of drugs or alcohol? They'll use this as evidence of negligence in your case. Can they negotiate a fair settlement for my semi-truck accident case? Yes, they aim to secure fair compensation for you. Can I get a free consultation with a semi-truck accident attorney? Many offer free consultations to discuss your case. Can I trust their expertise in handling semi-truck accidents? Yes, their specialized knowledge makes them reliable. Will they keep me informed about my case's progress? Yes, they should provide regular updates. Can they handle cases involving property damage claims? Yes, they consider the impact on your property. Do they have experience with semi-truck rollover accidents? Yes, they handle various types of truck accidents. Can they help with cases involving semi-truck tire blowouts? Yes, they can investigate the cause and pursue claims. Can they assist with cases involving semi-truck brake failures? Yes, they can determine if brake failure was a factor. Can they handle cases involving semi-truck jackknife accidents? Yes, they investigate and pursue claims in jackknife accidents. What if I'm concerned about lost wages due to the accident? They'll consider all aspects of damages, including lost wages. Can they help me get compensation for pain and suffering? Yes, they'll pursue compensation for pain and suffering. How can I get started with a semi-truck accident attorney? Contact them for a consultation to discuss your situation. Can they handle cases involving semi-truck side collisions? Yes, they investigate all types of semi-truck accidents. What is the statute of limitations for semi-truck accident cases? It varies by location, so it's essential to consult an attorney. Can they help me recover compensation if the trucking company is at fault? Yes, they'll pursue compensation from all liable parties. Can they handle cases involving semi-truck equipment failures? Yes, they'll investigate equipment failures and pursue claims. Can they represent me in court if the case goes to trial? Yes, they have trial experience if a trial is necessary. Will they provide support throughout the legal process? Yes, they'll guide you through the process and answer your questions.